Hello, this is Jason Hopkins, and before I begin, I just want you to make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I want you to smash that bell notification so that you're not missing out on any future content that I provide. Now, you want to start affiliate marketing, but you have no money. I get it. A lot of people that want to start affiliate marketing, they always say the same thing, that they have no money to start. And I get it. But you have to ask yourself this one question. How bad do you want to succeed as an affiliate marketer? Now see, the problem that you might be having is not the lack of resources, but it's probably the lack of your resourcefulness and the lack of being resourceful. So you don't have a job? Cool. You can always do DoorDash, you can do Uber, Grubhub. And just, you want to think of how can you afford it rather than just keep saying, I can't afford it. I can't do this. I can't afford it. And if you need money to start, then you can, there's a lot of other things that you can do. Like you can probably maybe take a loan from a bank, borrow the money from somebody, or apply for credit cards. Now, if you can't get credit, I mean, it's easy nowadays to get credit cards, even if your credit is bad. You can easily get a credit card. So you want to think about how badly you want to be in this business, even when you have little to maybe no funds at all. And you need to find a way to be resourceful, right? So if you use things like Facebook, and once you do have the funds, you can once you have the funds to join an affiliate marketing company, you want to learn as much as possible and implement what you're learning daily, and just never give up. And the first thing that you should do, if you are on Facebook, is you want to create a Facebook group where you're continuing to create valuable content that's going to help solve people's problems. And you want to also be on YouTube, and you want to create videos daily. I'd say do at least 2 videos a day, and you want to repurpose those videos and put those videos in your Facebook group. You want to create video content, and you want to share your stories and tie a lesson to your stories that's going to help solve their problems. You need to sacrifice a lot of your free time learning free marketing strategies in whatever affiliate company that you're part of. And once them sales start coming in, you want to invest in those returns. And also you want to learn paid marketing strategies that drives traffic to your websites. Well, that's all I have for you for today. If you got any value, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're watching on Facebook, give this video some hearts and some likes. And if you want to know my #1 recommended program, there's going to be a link below this video. You'll be directed to a page where you're going to put your name and your email. Once again, my name is Jason Hopkins. Thanks for watching.